Okay, I just watched an elk cross the street here, so I don't know if there's another one or not. So we are driving through the Gifford-Pinchot National Forest, coming up on good old Takhlakh Lake. I'm not sure I could stay there tonight if I want. I'll just have to see what the conditions are. At least it looks like the snow has melted away. That is an important thing. It's a 2-mile drive down here. We're on just a little short stretch of paved road. The Forest Service does not maintain these roads very well anymore. So, alright, if I see another animal of interest, I will start the camera back up. Alright, I decided to camp up here at Takhlakh Lake. A lot of snow. There's a few people here. Campground is still, I guess, closed because a lot of the picnic areas and everything are snowed in. And if you hike on out this way, you get to Takhlakh Lake, which is one of the more scenic, picturesque places. Let me see if it's close by. Oh, froggies. I hear froggies. Froggies. Oh, we will not be able to see the mountain. It's fogged in. But we can get to the lakeshore. Well, that's too bad. Through the fog is one of the finest views of Mount Adams. So we got someone out on the lake there fishing, but they're too far away to see with this camera. So anyway, Takhlakh is a pretty little lake. Okay, well, I am going to go and put a chuck roast in the oven. I've had that for about 5 days now, so it needs to get cooked. All right, let's head on back to the truck camper. It has been a very busy week for me helping the unknown mechanic, but look at that. Ain't that a pretty spot? Look at those lush greens. Just beautiful. Let's zoom in there a bit. Okay. So there's a few trails around here. Usually Takhlakh is a difficult campground to get into. Very popular. And you see that marvelous truck camper, Funmobile. Yeah, I can't even get to firing here. Everything's under snow in this campsite. I don't know what that sound was. There you can see. These are my picnic tables. And the firing is somewhere under there. All right, let's get cooking some din-din. Ugh. You will have to pardon the truck camper. I have been living in here for quite a while now. Okay. All right, let me shut this down here and get ready to go. See, there's all the cameras and other stuff go up there. Printer, and then just the traveling mess. Maybe I'll do some dishes tonight. I just dumped tanks and got fresh water, so I'm ready to go. And I got all kinds of goodies here. That's all right. People who know me know that I cook. Good. Okay. Well, and what do we have here? Why, that is the oven burner. And what is going into the oven? Why, a nice big chuck roast with some Cavender's seasoning, garlic powder, some Italian herb, and black pepper. And then we have some carrots, sliced onion, and sliced potato that are going to go in there. So they're going to go in there at about 300 degrees for a couple of hours. And how do we get this in the oven here without losing all the moisture? Well, let me show you. I have this little baby here, and it just fits right like that. And look at that. Look at that. What a perfect fit. I love it. And you know what? Its job is to bring deliciousness to the Iron Truck Camper Chef. Okay, so let us put our chuck roast back in the oven, and let's let all that deliciousness come together. Alrighty, now back to some more editing. And there you see my delicious corned beef with carrots, potatoes, red potatoes, white mushrooms, and a sweet Walla Walla yellow onion. And it is really, really, really good. So I just had a little bit of it for tonight, and I am going to Ziploc this stuff away after it cools down for a while. But yeah, super yummy, super tasty, and this will feed me for about 3 days, something like that. I'll be tired of it by then, I'm sure. Okay, that's dinner. That's a wrap. Okay, slept like a baby last night. Got a nice pour-over cup of coffee going. Got myself a blend of coffee I like. I take half of the Seattle's Best Portland blend and mix it with another half of Seattle's Best Post Alley. And one is dark and one is not as dark. And it makes for a nice, smooth cup of coffee. And if we go over here and look out the window, if I can open it, get up here. Get in, stupid window. And we look out here, we can see that the weather has changed significantly. So I'll run over there and get a nice picture of Mount Adams this morning. All right. Okay, so there you can see the reflection of Mount Adams in the lake, Takhlakh. And up there, you see the real McCoy. And the clouds are slowly moving away from it. With a wider lens, I would be able to get both in the same image. Okay, and so here we've got some fisher people. See if I can get the camera to focus on them. There we go, I think I got it. And over here is another boat. Okay, so there we go, Takhlakh Lake. And this is one of the rivers coming down from Mount Adams area. Not sure what the name of the river is. There's the road heading on south west to Randall. And there's the road coming down from the mountain. All right.